And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. This is part 3 of my update to the X-T1 versus the X-T3. This time I've done a real world high ISO test. Gone out, taken some not very interesting but a reasonable range in dynamic range and different objects in the scene. I've taken the images during the day and the night using the same high ISO settings of 1600, 3200, 6400 and 12800, which on the X-T1 is only a JPEG, so I've just done it for just having a look, see what it looks like, to be honest. Taking those back into the computer and we'll see what we get. So let's have a look at those now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later.